Introducing Smart Air, the portable air conditioner redefining outdoor cooling. Control easily with the remote or built-in panel, no bulky setup needed. Features a no-drain water system for hassle-free use. Step 1. Attach the front cover and secure with screws. Step 2. Connect the intake exhaust air pipe. Step 3. Install the air conditioning pipe. Stay cool and comfortable, no matter the season. Perfect for outdoor tents and car camping. Smart Air, your ultimate solution for portable, year-round cooling.